Besides the wellness benefits you receive being immersed in hot water, a swim spa provides other added benefits. Unlike exercising out of water, which forces your muscles and joints to fight against gravity, exercising in the near weightlessness of a spa requires minimal energy and strength. Continued exercise helps play a big part in extending your personal independence in your later years. Get the vitality you need and want from swimming all year round. Unlike conventional swimming pools, a swim spa can be used all year round in any weather condition in your backyard. Receive a complete workout through our resistance bands, row bars, and aqua bike. Gain or maintain the muscle tone you need to lead an active lifestyle. For those who have a hard time moving out of water, or for those who need a dedicated sport environment at their home to get into their zone, a swim spa gets you moving and helps you reach your weight goals. Wanting a couple of pounds off or drastic change, a swim spa can greatly aid to reduce your weight for a healthier lifestyle. Swim spas make for great swimming pool alternatives. They can fit in most backyards, come at a fraction of the price, and are conveniently portable should you move residence.